Yes guys, watching Sound It. I know this is your favorite round and my favorite round as well. Yani hii round inakuanga
round 3,
as they say people from Mombasa. And now you see this here is an egg, yani a raw egg. And happy see. Ikiwa utajibu maswali ama utafanya yanavyokuambia, utabidi umelikunywa yani lote yani na umeze, no vomiting, yeah. And yes guys, that round is here. And as I've said, it's my favorite round. And happy, I want you to sing the Kenyan national anthem in English. Wimbo wa taifa kwa kimombo. Or you take a sip of a raw egg, yeah? Utakunywa yai bro.
Utabidi yai.
Unaweza piga tu sip. You don't have to take the whole of it. Bro, hujakunywa hiyo. Hujakunywa bro. Hiyo hujakunywa bro. You have to take it yani. You haven't done so. But we'll let that slip away. And who's your favorite celebrity yani? Msanii yupi ama celebrity yupi ambaye unampenda sana?
Kenya ama
dunia nzima tu. Unajua Kenya pia iko involved when we say worldwide. So yani your favorite celebrity? Badman. So nataka ufanye impression ya Badman. Impression yake. Badman yani venye behave. I want you to behave like Badman.
Badman ni mtu wa pose nyingi nini.
Waweza tuonyesha hizo pose. Waweza simama utuonyeshe hizo pose.
Badman akitokea kwenye shooting, yeye ni mtu wa anakula pose na mimi.
Okay bro. And show us your last 2 days Google search. Hey, una confidence nayo ya? Your last 2 days. Una busy ama tumia wifi pia? Unaweza fungua tu. Tuonyeshe your last 2 days Google search. Okay. Okay guys, what are you open to see his last 2 days Google search? And yes, number 1 is Mdundo logging, number 2 is Becca Boy, number 3 is Betika. You bet. DistroKid, Audio Mark. Yani ni mambo tu ya wasanii tu, to be honest, because I can see Spotify, Index 001. And yes guys, that is 2 weeks Google search, or rather 2 days I mean. And bro, bado tutahitaji simu yako usiweke mbali kwa sababu go live on Instagram and sniff your armpits for 30 seconds. Uende live kwenye Instagram na uyanuse makwapa yako for 30 seconds.
Nile kwa Instagram
kwa live.
Hapo nifanya nini eti?
Unanusa makwapa yako kwa sekunde 30 bro.
Mtihani huo.
Bro. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
But I told you this is some type of different interviews from the ones you've been having all your life, or rather in Nairobi.
Naiona.
Go live?
Yeah.
That's to rotate the camera. Guys, we're going to be rotating the camera to face this side, the selfie side. But now we have to wait for audience to come in on your live. Yes, guys, as you can see, we're live, yeah? We're live here on Instagram. You see? Watu waje alafu you do the necessary. Instagram, hold on, we are telling your followers to join your video, or rather your live. Yes, we're still live guys, yeah? We're waiting for the audience to come so that you can do the necessary. Now, watu wameanza kuingia bro, you can do the necessary. You sniff your armpits for 30 seconds. 30 seconds of Jaisha bro.
Zimeisha bana.
Bado 30 seconds.
Mnanipull, sindio?
Okay guys, it was live, yeah, and there was some audience there watching the live. Okay, what's to end the live video? I'm sorry about that.
Okay.
This question, I know you already said, or rather complained about me asking you so much about Kelechi. But unfortunately, these are questions written by the fans. And hapa kuna mtu amesema do a 30 seconds rap about Kelechi.
Nifanya?
Yani rap kwa sekunde 30 kuhusu Kelechi. Because kama unamsifia, I love Kelechi, yeah. No, Kelechi, you get for 30 seconds.
Okay, Kelechi ni msanii ambaye anafanya poa na anaimba poa. Mimi napenda uimbaji wake. Yeah, uaga napiga tu flow zake. Mara zingine eti na pose kwake mara.
That was a good one, bro. And take your phone. I want you to call a given person. I want you to call Susumila. Naomba mpigie Susumila and sing his song. Yani Sonona featuring Bosso all the way from Tanzania. Actually, that's my favorite song of Susumila. Yani one of the biggest hits he has ever made in his entire music career, according to me. And I love the song so much. And I can't wait to see him, call him and sing the song to him. Uko tayari? Mambo weke loudspeaker. Then karibisha hapa kwenye microphone.
Hakuna sejua tatizo la moyo ukipenda unanifanya mwana sesere. Sawa, niko interview na bangu pigie simu niimbe bana, jamaa ananibuli hapa. Hapo
Wow, Susumila, if you're watching this, man, I'm happy that the call didn't even bring that much. He immediately answered your call. Like that's some type of romance, and I'm happy that tumeimba vizuri, sikuwa natarajia itakuwa. You hit it the right way, bro. And nataka you call a stranger and ask him how you can treat STDs. Nataka mpigie stranger, mtu ambaye umfahamu. Muulize unaweza katibu vipi magonjwa ya, what do we call them in Swahili, STDs? Maybe HIV, gonorrhea, and the rest. Mpigie tu stranger, muulize unaweza katibu vipi.
Ni ngumu hiyo.
I give you a random number. Nikupe number ambayo ni random
Nimuulize.
Yeah, muulize. I think I'll be calling one of my siblings. Muulize bro vipi naweza okay. Acha nikupe number, acha nikuweke namba yake. Mpigie sababu okay, I can't read the number out loud, guys, because you're on TV, so anaweza pata calls nyingi. Muulize unaweza tibu vipi kaswende, gonorrhea and other STDs.
Hello.
Yeah, let's speak. Karibisha kwenye microphone. Sound it is the place.
Mambo vipi?
Hello.
Mambo. Alikuwa nauliza vipi unatibu vipi kuhusu dawa za gonorrhea na kaswende. Nasema wewe unatibu vipi gonorrhea ama kaswende?
I think nimepigia wrong number.
Pole.
Popo.
Nipigia Maringa.
Wow. Stevie, if you're watching this, I'm sorry.
Umeelekea mayai bana.